Tonight, a Knightstown man is in jail after a jury found him guilty of a hit and run. The crash left a teenager with a traumatic brain injury.
Rich Nye had his camera in the Hancock County courtroom for the verdict and has reaction from the boy's mother tonight.
We, the jury, find the defendant Aaron Magee guilty.
The jury deliberated for just an hour and a half before returning with the verdict against Aaron Magee for leaving the scene of an accident resulting in catastrophic injury.
The fact that it came back so quickly was a surprise.
Yeah, we were just eating at B-dubs and it just came in and we were like, oh, we gotta go.
Yeah, we assumed that was a good sign.
Jasper Young was just 13 years old when he was hit by Magee's car while riding this bicycle on State Road 109 in Wilkinson about 10 p.m. on June 17, 2023. He suffered a traumatic brain injury and multiple fractures. He spent almost 6 months at a Chicago rehab facility learning to walk and talk again.
We had to prove catastrophic injury when we had a child who made essentially a miraculous recovery, and we are incredibly grateful to the Young family for working with us for so long and to the medical team that provided such great care to put him in a position to be successful. But that does not mean that he did not suffer catastrophic injury, that he will have lifelong impairments.
The defense argued for a lesser sentence of serious bodily injuries, not catastrophic.
We're not here because there was an accident. We're not here because my client isn't accepting responsibility for the accident. We're here because it wasn't a catastrophic injury, simple as that. The reason that you have a lesser included offense is because that's what it is.
Every month for the last 28 months, the defendant and his attorney have postponed this trial because they knew he was making such miraculous recovery. So we're just so glad that, of course, that he has made this miraculous recovery, but also that now we have justice.
No sentencing date is set yet because Magee must return here November 4th for a hearing on whether he is a habitual offender based on previous felony convictions, and that could enhance his potential sentence. In Greenfield, Rich Nye, 13 News.
Aaron Magee faces a sentence of 2 to 12 years for the guilty verdict today. He could get another 8 to 20 years if the judge rules him to be a habitual offender.